In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your TikTok password if you forgot it. So basically, there are a few options. First is to open up Chrome and make sure you are logged in into that account that you have saved the password for. Type in Chrome passwords, click on Google Password Manager, and it will be right over here. If you didn't save it with that Google account, this is just another way to do it. Go to your Gmail app, click on your profile, manage Google account, then go to security and scroll down until you see password manager. Click on that. You might be able to log in, maybe not. And basically just come in, search passwords, say TikTok, and if it's saved, it will be here. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, saying this video helped me out. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.